What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a video. So yesterday I went to look at an E46 M3 down in Richmond, Virginia, about 3 hours from here in Maryland, and a buddy of mine drove me down there. I didn't have any plates to put on it, so I was calling different MVA locations and no one was answering. They say they're too busy, please try your call again later or set up an online appointment. I don't know how the rules work in Virginia, but I found out that in order to get a temp tag, the vehicle needs to be inspected first. So they do things totally different than they do here in Maryland. Here in Maryland, you can get a temporary tag and then for 30 days. And then during that time, you can go get your car inspected and then you can go get your hard plates. So we got down there and either I rode dirty or I could call someone to come pick it up, transport the car. So I decided to get the car transported. They're about to show up here and I didn't pick anyone else, no other than Auto Movers USA. They delivered the R8 to us and they do a phenomenal job, friendly service. Make sure you check them out. I put their Instagram, Facebook information in the description below, but they do an awesome job. If you guys need to get your car transported, make sure you check them out. So he should be here soon. He just called me and told me he's gonna be here around 8:30, 9 o'clock. So they'll be here any minute delivering the car. I have to run and take my son to school. It's his second day of school, so I gotta get him to school by 9 o'clock. So I don't really know how it's gonna work out. But anyway, what do you guys think about this garage makeover? Welcoming in the new M3. Well, not new, but new to us. Floors. I bought their SwissTrax, but I got them through Normal Guy Supercar. He hooked us up with actually a better price than if you order the floor straight from SwissTrax. So thank you, Dan, from Normal Guy Supercar. If you guys are looking for any kind of garage stuff, Ferrari parts, anything really, check out his website. I'll put a link in the description below, and also make sure you check out his YouTube channel. So I got some artwork up so far, a little trip down memory lane. The old 5 Series, the thick F10. God, I miss her. And that little shout out memory to the R8, our V10 R8. We'll add more pictures as well as we go on. I do have some more artwork coming here, BMW logo, the black, some artwork to cover up that sub panel. But it should start popping here with little knickknacks, some neon up there. Let me know what you guys want me to hang on these walls here in the comments below. So why did I purchase an E46 M3? Well, the M3 was always my dream car. And in 2005, I had the opportunity, I could afford to buy one, and I bought one brand new back in 05. And man, I loved that car so much. I tried, Evan tried, we tried to locate my old car because it's still here in Maryland in the Nottingham, White Marsh, Middle River area. And we found that out because we had the VIN and it was getting its emissions every 2 years, because here in Maryland you have to get emissions tests every 2 years. And it was going to service areas in that area. So the guy has to live, he's 30 minutes at least from me. I've reached out to people so I can try to approach this person to see if he would sell me the car. I love that car so much. I did some mods to it. I babied that thing. So I don't know if it's still been babied. I don't see any service records in the Carfax. The guy may be a DIYer. He may be a mechanic. You know, he may be doing the work himself, or he's taking it to a shop that doesn't register any service they do to the car. So anyhow, this car here that I found in Richmond, Virginia. It's already had 2 of the top 3 done. The rod bearings have been done. The subframe has been reinforced. The vanos has not been done, but their mechanic, I spoke to the mechanic and he said when they replaced the valve cover gasket, they took a look at the vanos and everything looked intact. We're gonna get that swapped anyway, just for peace of mind. But this car, overall, the paintwork looks great. I've looked at a few of them and this was the one. It does have some, you know, it's not the showroom perfect. The interior, it does need some things, some trim pieces, which they're easy to do. I may do some new headlights, we'll see. But as far as mods, it does have an intake on it. I'm gonna swap that out It does have an exhaust on it already. We may swap it out, but I do have a lot of plans for this car. So I'll show you guys some of the things I'm talking about, little cosmetic stuff like the rear quarter panel, the window in the back, the moldings are dry rotting, which I already have so many parts on order. The center console's a little scratched up. I've already ordered so many things from ECS Tuning and Turner Motorsports. They'll be delivered. And we'll do videos, install videos on those as well. The windshield washer pump I don't think is working, so I ordered a new pump. The wipers go, but there's nothing shooting out, so we'll have to troubleshoot. I order a pump anyway, that's cheap. We'll diagnose it once it's here. We'll troubleshoot it and get that fixed, because I gotta fix that before I take it to inspection so I can get my hard plates, because that will fail Maryland inspection. You need your windshield wipers, the fluid working properly, turn signals. Maryland is really strict with safety. A rainy day here in Maryland, waiting for the new car to come, and I love it. It's charcoal gray. I do like the blue, the topaz blue one. I do love that color combo as well. All the ones I found, either the clear coat was peeling. It's so many different issues that to get it inspected would have costed me a lot of money just to get up to par to pass inspection. So, but this car, I'll show you guys. I mean, overall, it's clean. It has a few dings in it, dents, which I called my PDR guy already. He's gonna come out next week and take them out. I may get the rear bumper resprayed. And the guy who had the car before me, he gave me a pile of paperwork for the stuff that he's done to the car, so I know everything was legit. Now, why did I pick the M3? Like I said, it's kind of like a sentimental value to me, especially the E46. I love the body style. I was looking at some E90s, even though it's a V8, I'm not crazy about the body style. It's not as aggressive as the E46. So, plus I used to have one, so it has a sentimental value. Plus I was looking for something that was gonna be a little cheaper to, to keep in the garage, something that we could go crazy with, we could dump stuff into. So many videos doing it, possibly even supercharge it, we'll see. It is an SMG, but I'm definitely gonna manual swap it. But before we do all that, I'm gonna get the little things done, get the pass inspection, and then let AutoWorks look it over, see if they see anything else that they recommend to get switched. We'll go ahead and take care of that too. I know it's got new tires on it. It has new brakes on it already, so that we're all right there. Other than that, it's just a safety inspection, so we should be okay. We'll have Evan do a nice thorough detail on it. The car's already been ceramic coated. Car is glossy. Paint looks great. Well, at least compared to all the other M3s that I've seen. So now you know why I went ahead and did this to the garage. We can't get a car that's not an M and put it in this garage. Even this thing's gotta go. Well, we're gonna have a yard sale this weekend. Hopefully someone picks this up, because my little guy also has a McLaren down in the basement and this Vespa. He just picked this up. He watched that movie Luca and he needed a Vespa. It's not an actual Vespa, but he wanted a red scooter just like Luca, so there it is. So he had to park down the street because he can't come up into my court here. Looks like he's got a 2-car trailer. Oh, he already pulled it out. Nice. Thank you, Auto Movers USA, for the hookup once again. Make sure you guys check them out. Link is in the description below. All right, we are back in the garage. Pulled her back in here. She's looking good sitting here. Let me show you guys some of the imperfections, easy stuff. Here's the dry rotted trim piece that I already ordered pieces for. I ordered these two. We might as well just swap it out so it's nice and even. They're not in bad shape at all. But all the weather stripping, he's already replaced all this. Over here, this side piece could be replaced. Let me switch that out. We'll see. Same thing on the other side. This mirror, I ordered new mirror replacements because they will fail Maryland inspection. New tires, wheels have been refinished, nice shape, new brakes, new rotors, pads. I would still like to upgrade them to the cross-drilled rotors. We'll do a video on that. Headlights aren't in bad shape. The passenger side one is a little bit foggy. We could probably try to restore those, but I may just get some new ones with the halos in them. Blacked out with black corner markers, turn signals, wherever you want to call them. But they're not in bad shape. The lens, I can replace the lens. They're easy to swap out. Let's see. I'm gonna need some new fog light assembly things. It looks like they're missing because he got a new bumper. Let's see. Overall, I mean, it just needs a wash of detail. Overall, it's a clean car. Oh, new fender liners. He replaced the fender liners underneath the pan that's new. He replaced that. Here's one dent. It's gonna come out. Here's another dent. That's about it. Let's go to the interior. The rear's in good shape. I may get this resprayed because it's got some scrapes here. I mean, I could touch it up with some Dr. Color chip, but it is sitting a little low. I'd rather just take it off and get it resprayed and hung correctly. He does have the facelift taillights already installed on these, because this is a 2002 and they didn't come with these headlights. So that's a nice touch. Let's get to the inside. Overall, I mean, for the age of the car, it's really clean. I mean, the seats have the wear. I'll probably get swap out the seats down the line too. But overall, it is a pretty clean car. Let me put this back. This happens to a lot of them. This is common. These little lines that go into the screen. It's an old car. We could probably swap that out too. It is an SMG. I ordered new switches, even though they do work, just to make them look nice and clean and new. This new trim piece I ordered. I got to order one of these, but Evan's like, why bother if you're going to manual swap it? Why bother ordering this piece here? I ordered a new center console. These come out. I got to order some new of these because they're cracking. I mean, I could repaint them, but then the finish isn't going to match the new center console that I got. This looks might as well get a new one of those too. I didn't order these. When you order them, well, eBay has one where it's the whole thing with the cup holders and this new, but I don't know. I got it from Turner Motorsports. That should be coming soon. This switch looks in good shape. That looks like it's been replaced. That looks new. This is a little rough. I'm gonna order one of these here. I'll get new door handles, replace them, put some carbon fiber ones on there. This one's a little scuffed up. It's funny how the passenger side one is more scuffed up than the driver's side. Let's see, down the road, new steering wheel, but overall headliner's in great shape. Headliner's known to start sagging in these. He did get the headliner redone. Pretty clean, just needs a good detail. I ordered new. He didn't have the OEM M3 floor mats, but I ordered some new mats. Let's pop the hood. I want to do the black carbon fiber emblem, swap that out. All right, so engine bay, really clean. I do want to swap that out. I don't like that. Maybe get the AFE. I want something, enclosed. I might take it to the body shop. I'm OCD, man. This fitment of this bumper doesn't look great. You see the wave in it? I may, when I take it to the body shop to get the back bumper done, I'm gonna have them take a look at this. I don't like this wave. I don't know if there's anything they can do about it or not. We'll find out. I'm not gonna complain. I knew what we were gonna get ourselves into. I wanted a semi-project car. 2 of the big 3 done, and everything else would be cosmetic or mods, performance mods. It's already got coilovers on it. Oh, the front cowl, you see where it's chipping. I ordered a new one of those from ECS Tuning. What do you guys think about the color? I love the charcoal gray. Smash that like button for me if you like this. I do like the topaz blue one too. We were looking at a red one that fell through. I think that would have really popped in the garage with the M stripes, but the charcoal gray is mean. The black ones, there's so many black ones. They are hard to take care of, the darker colors. There's a lot of white ones, but my color preference was the topaz blue or the charcoal gray, and that's what we ended up with. Hey, who knows? We can go crazy with this car. We can get it wrapped if we want. Maybe a stealth PPF would look hot on this. We shall see. Stay tuned. That's why if you're new, you need to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Welcome the new E46 M3 to the garage. We look forward to doing all kinds of mods to this, DIY videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash that like button if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Ring that bell for notifications. And I will see you in the next video.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.